show you how I check discrete sampling geometry files using Unidata's ToolsUI. So if you don't have ToolsUI, you can just Google for it, and it usually comes up pretty quick. Go to the Java downloads here, and here you see it, ToolsUI. If you click, it'll start downloading, but I'm not going to download that right here because I already have it. So just save that somewhere, and then go off to where you have it saved. And if you right mouse click on it, you can open it with Java. Okay. And when you open it with Java, you get this little interface. It takes a little while to load, and it looks like a bunch of tabs across the top, and they have different features. So look at the files in different ways, NetCDF files. So first of all, I'm going to look at the file that was given to me by actually, I'm going to switch over. Actually, yeah, let's leave it here in viewer mode. Let's switch over here to this little tab here and open up the file that's given to me, sort by time. Let's see, scroll down to the bottom here. Okay, so here was the NetCDF file that was given to me to look at. And if you want to look around in here, shows all the dimensions and the variables over here, and you can hover over them and see more information about them. If you actually wanted to see like what a particular variable was, you can right mouse click and say like dump the data, and see what all the, see in this case there's a bunch of IDs for each point in this trajectory. Anyway, so this is useful for poking around, but you can grab this same file name, go over to, I just did a Control-A for it, Control-C up here, go to this Features Types tab, and I'll try to open it as a point feature. So I've selected Feature Types and then Point Feature, and now I'm going to drop that URL in here. Okay, so I've got the same NetCDF file. I could have just opened it again over here. And now if I hit return, can't find structure record. Okay, so blah. If you go here, it has a bunch of errors. Actually, not super useful at this point. It wasn't very much information, right? But you can open the same thing again now in this NCML tab. And now you see the NCML view of the file, and you can go in here and start looking at things. And like there's a variable here that's called, let's see, let's take a look at like practical salinity here. When we look at the coordinates, we see it has time, lat, lon, but it doesn't have any vertical coordinate. And then we see here that there's a vertical, something called seawater pressure decibar, which is likely the vertical coordinate, right, that we want to use. It also has coordinates, which is wrong because it's a coordinate variable. Anyway, so you can go in here and just like start editing this, and then you can, if you want to try, and then you can save it as NCML, and then try loading that NCML as a feature type. So I'm actually going to go now and open up the file that I've already, the NCML file that I've modified. So this is the same. So this is, I just modified that NCML until it loaded as a point trajectory. And so here's this file. I created this variable here called, that has the CF roll of trajectory ID. Did a bunch of stuff down here. And so if we try to open this as a point feature type, let's grab this, go to feature types, open that NCML file. Now it comes up and it says trajectory here, and if we click on trajectory, it comes up and it has that little bogus my trajectory ID that I put in there. And if we click here, we start seeing the data that was collected along that trajectory. So that's how you look at the NCML. That's how I keep modifying that NCML until I get it to show up here correctly. And I guess that takes some knowledge of the CF conventions. All right, I guess that's the end of the demo for now.